In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer to your ClickFunnels page. Adding a countdown timer can be a powerful way to create urgency and boost conversions, making it an essential tool for your funnel strategy. So, let's dive into this step-by-step guide to easily set it up. First things first, you'll need to start by opening your funnel page. To do this, simply log into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the funnel that contains the page where you'd like to add your countdown timer. This is done right from the dashboard, where you can see a list of all your funnels. Find the funnel you're working on and click on it. Now, look for the specific page within the funnel that you want to edit. Once you've located it, you'll need to click on the Edit Page button. This will open up the page editor, where all the magic happens. Now that you have your page open in the editor, it's time to add the countdown timer element. This is a simple yet crucial step. Look towards the top of the page editor, and you should see an orange button labeled Add Element, with a plus icon next to it. Go ahead and click on that button. This will bring up a menu with a variety of different elements that you can add to your page. Scroll through the list, or use the search function to find the countdown timer. Once you've located it, select it from the menu. Now, position the timer. You can do this by dragging it to the precise spot on your page where you want it to appear. Make sure it is placed in a location that is prominent enough to catch your visitor's attention, but also aligns with your overall page design. With the timer now on your page, the next important step is to configure it to suit your needs. Configuration is key to ensuring the timer functions in the way you intend. Click on the timer to bring up its settings. Here, you can adjust a variety of attributes. You'll be able to set the end date and time, which is crucial for determining when the countdown will reach 0. Think about your marketing strategy and set an end time that aligns with your promotion or launch. Additionally, you can choose what happens once the timer completes its countdown. You may want to redirect to a different page, hide the offer, or simply have the timer disappear. You'll also have options to change the design and style of the timer, so it matches your page's branding and color scheme. Adjust these settings to fit your visual identity. Once you have configured the timer to your satisfaction, be sure to save your changes. There should be a Save button at the top right of your screen in the page editor. Click this to make sure all your hard work is preserved. And there you have it. Your countdown timer is now live on your ClickFunnels page. With this addition, you can create urgency and help drive your audience to take action. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other tutorials to enhance your ClickFunnels skills even further.